Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys these products that I purchased from OrganiGrowHairCo. I discovered this small black owned business on Instagram and I have been following them ever since. First of all, I did my little side research before purchasing any of their products just to be safe that my money wasn't going to waste, and of course I needed to know if it would work for my type for hair. So I basically stalked their Instagram page for a good amount of time. I also messaged a couple of their customers asking them if the products worked for them and blah blah blah, and I watched a lot of YouTube videos because, you know, everything is on YouTube now, and I was pleased with the responses and the reviews that I saw, so I decided to finally purchase the products. I ordered the Grow Platinum bundle for low porosity hair, and I also ordered 2 products outside of that bundle. So let me just go ahead and show y'all what I received. Okay, so the first thing I'll be showing you is this little booklet that I received from them, and on the inside it has a product guide and a growth guide. And this is the founder of OrganiGrowHairCo, K-Cola. So the first one is the GrowPoo clarifying shampoo, and let me just say that the packaging looks kind of low budget to me. That's my opinion, but nevertheless it's what's inside of the bottle that matters to me. So the ingredients are water, babasu oil, citrus lemon, peppermint, and a bunch of other ingredients that I won't attempt to pronounce. So they claim all their products, all their ingredients are organic and vegan, and it also says there are no sulfates, silicones, parabens, mineral oils, or dye in this product. Next up we have the GrowTein Free Deep Moisture Condish, and it says to apply to wet or damp hair. After shampooing, pat the hair into sections and distribute in evenly. Finger detangle from ends to roots, leave in for 5 to 10 minutes, or for added moisture leave in for 30 to 45 minutes and sit under your hooded dryer. And again, all the ingredients are vegan and organic, and no sulfates, no silicones, and all of that. So next up we have the conditioning cooling custard for low to medium porosity hair, and it says to apply to wet or damp hair. Part the hair into 4 sections, apply no more than a quarter size amount to each section for long hair, a nickel size amount for shoulder length, and a dime size amount for short hair like me, but I'm not gonna apply a dime size amount. Anywho, it says finger detangle or rake through each section of the hair, allow to completely air dry and all of that. And it says to best use with honeydew, with hair dew. Apply hair dew first and cooling custard second. This is the hair dew / leave-in conditioner. It says it's a hydrating scalp mist and refresher spray. For dry scalp, apply directly to the scalp to soothe, nourish, and refresh. And again, all the ingredients are organic and wait, it doesn't say that. The ingredients are alkaline water, citrus acid, babasu oil, jojoba oil, sunflower oil, and a bunch of other ingredients. So now we have the Redo Prepoo, and this is like a deep conditioning treatment before shampooing your hair. It says to pat the hair into 4 sections, saturate the entire head from the scalp to the ends, leave in for 6 to 12 hours. So you use this the night before a wash day, you apply this, you leave it on for the entire night, and you wash your hair the next morning with the shampoo of your choice. It's pretty simple. So I'm definitely going to be using this every night before my wash day. Next up we have the vegan texture butter. This is also one of the products that I purchased outside of the Grow bundle, and it says to add a small portion to the palms of your hands, rub it together, then apply to the hair. Start with a small amount and as needed. Add as needed. So the ingredients are shea butter, aloe vera oil, olive oil, and some other good stuff. So it says for kinky, curly, coily hair, or twist outs or braid outs, or any protective styles, even locks. So the last product inside my package is the Stimulating Scalp Beverage, and it says to apply 10 to 15 drops directly to the entire scalp daily. Massage with fingers or the scalp massager. I might use the scalp massager. I don't know. I need a better scalp massager. That looks cheap, so I don't know. Anywho, I am overall pleased with the products I received. I think they should step up their game with the labels on the product, but nevertheless, I received all the products I purchased in less than 7 days. I had no problems with the company or anything like that. And yeah, so guys, I will be using OrganiGrowHairCo products for the next 90 days or so, and I will upload my first wash day routine this weekend so y'all can see how I use the products and my new hair routine. So I hope you guys follow me on this new hair growth journey that I am doing, or this new hair growth challenge, and please subscribe to my channel, like this video. Please don't forget to comment below if you've tried these products. Let me know how your hair feels. Let me know how you feel about it. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. And again, be sure to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Subscribe below, okay? Thank you again for watching. I hope you guys have a lovely week. Bye.